Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chimene and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did a 24-piece toenail set from start to finish. Here I am applying some primer to the nails. This helps to remove the shine from the nails and allows the polish to adhere to the nails better. So when I'm doing 24-piece sets I usually work in groups of 4 or 8. So I start with the largest nail, which is size 0, and I go all the way to the smallest nail. Okay, so now that we finished with our prep, it's time to add our polish, and I'm using baby powder from iGel Beauty. It's the pure white polish, and usually clients who want press-on toes, they either usually want plain white or plain nude for their toes. So this is actually the first time I got the opportunity to record a press-on toenail set. On these press-on toenails, you'd realize that there's this little plastic tab to the tip of the nail, and I like to leave it on because it will help the client to apply the toes better. They could use it as a guide, especially when it comes down to the smaller toenails where their hands might be a little too big to handle the nail. So having or leaving the plastic tab on, it helps them to get the nails, especially onto those smaller toes like your pinky toe and stuff like that. So I like to leave it on. So I'll be applying about 3 coats of polish to these nails, and after I'm done with that I'm going to put some top coat on them and then set this batch aside, and then I'm going to move on to the other batch. So while I was applying the top coat, I realized that some of the top coat was pooling to both sides of the nails, and I believe it's because of the width of the nail, it being a size 0. So what I did, I just made sure I had an even layer of top coat and wiped off the sides, and then I cured the big toes individually in the UV lamp. Once I was finished top coating these nails, I was able to move on to the next batch of nails in the 24-piece set. So you'll see me here priming again, and then after that I'll be applying the polish, about 2 to 3 coats. So this part of the video is slightly sped up just for the sake of time, and after I put on the 3 coats you would see me applying the top coat. Since these nails are smaller, there was no pooling to the sides, and I was able to put all of them to cure in the lamp at the same time. Now you're seeing here we move on to these smaller nails. I believe these are the last 2 sizes, size 10 and 11. And with this one, just make sure you don't have too much polish on your brush so that the nail polish doesn't pool and then it wrinkles in the lamp. I actually made a mistake here and some of the nail polish got on the tab itself. So I just took the Q-tip and wiped it off with some alcohol before curing it. And finally we're adding our top coat for that sleek, shiny finish over all the nails. And then we'll be ready to put them, lay them out, check them, and then package them up. So I'm just going to get these off the stands and check them, and now we're going to package them. And this plastic box I am using for my packaging, I got it off of Amazon.com, and I will leave the link down below for you. I've already put my double-sided tape in there and try to utilize as much of the box as possible. And as usual, I will be starting with the largest nail and working my way outwards. And now it's time for the final 6 toes that I'm going to be putting in the cover of this plastic box, and they are really tiny. They were really hard to put in there, so just be careful, especially that you don't break off the tabs. So this is how the set looks. It's really cute. I know it's just a plain set, but I just wanted you to see how I do a press-on toe set from start to finish, including the packaging and stuff like that. So the last thing left for me to do now is just to add my logo sticker on top of this box to make it all official. And then I would pack that up, of course, with all the things my client needs to apply her toes: the cuticle pusher, the file, the glue, and the alcohol pads. Alright, so of course, if you like nail content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you could be notified when I post a new video. As well, if you know somebody who also likes nail content, tell them about this channel and let them subscribe to it as well. And of course, you could feel free to let me know in the comments down below what type of nail content you would like to see. I am always open to suggestions. Okay, so I just went outside for a small mini video, show you how we look in the sunlight. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.